Hey, what's up, guys? So I think you saw the video where I made regarding my Vedder EDC Cobra belt that I got that needed warranty fix because this came undone over here. And so I messaged Vedder, and pretty good customer service. They sent me a new one, brand new belt, okay, and which with the return shipping label, and then burn on it is okay. Sorry about the lighting if the lighting sucked, but they did recess the Velcro part, so it shouldn't come undone like the last one, but it comes with a lifetime warranty, so just use the warranty on it. Otherwise, their customer service is pretty good. Message them online, gave them the order number and everything, and it was pretty easy and quick. So I give them an A+ for customer service, and they stand behind their product. Thank you. Bye-bye.